Hi guys. As I mentioned before, I will make a tutorial video on how to set up a TikTok SEO. Regarding the process of creating a TikTok account, you can refer to my previous instructional video. There are a few important points to note when creating an account that I have mentioned multiple times. Please review the previous video if you don't remember. Alright, after creating an account, let's set up TikTok SEO with me following these steps. Select Set Up Profile. Firstly, change your avatar. For a personal brand TikTok account, it's recommended to use your own photo. For a business account, you should use a logo. Create one on Canva using their templates if you don't have a logo yet. Secondly, change your TikTok name. Choose a memorable and relevant name related to your industry. For example, if you are into making money online, you can use the name Tony Nguyen MMO. Note that you can change your username again after 7 days. Thirdly, set your TikTok username to match your account name. When you see the green check mark, it means the chosen ID is available, as each person can have only one ID. Keep in mind that you can change your ID after 30 days. The fourth step is to update your bio. Tap on Add a Bio and write a brief description about your TikTok. For example, if you are into MMO, you can write MMO tips tricks. Then click on the Save button. Link your social media accounts. Simply log in to connect them. The next step is setting up your accounts. Tap on the 3 lines icon, select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Account. Here, verify your email address. It's unnecessary if you don't have a phone number. You can switch to a business account if you need to run TikTok ads. However, if you want to make money through your views, it's better to stick with a personal account since a business account has more limitations. Move on to privacy. Turn off private account and enable active status. Scroll down and select comment. Choose the everyone option to allow comments from all users. Go back and choose security to enable 2-step verification for more safety. Here is all the basic information for setting up an SEO optimized TikTok account. Now, the most important step that you need to note. Don't post video right after creating account. I have mentioned this in all my videos. Go to the Discover section and search for topics that you are interested in. For example, if you are into online selling, watch the top videos and follow those channels. The purpose is to signal TikTok that you are interested in these topics. So, make sure to follow only relevant topics. Avoid following everything you find interesting because it will prevent TikTok from targeting your channel to a specific audience. Alright, I have guided you on how to create an SEO optimized TikTok account. Apart from these setup steps, please read TikTok's community guidelines for a better understanding of its rules and regulations. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create more new videos. See you in the next video.